Should you buy a Victory? Well, here's a Victory Crossroads, and this is Miguel, the owner, who I talked to about Victory motorcycles, which makes me wonder if I should get one. Join me as we ride to the beaches of San Diego while I share what I have learned about the Victory motorcycles and my thoughts if I would get one, all while we ride to the San Diego beaches and grab some tacos. So right now we're heading to Wildomar, which is about a half hour from where I am, and it is going to be a very hot day, especially out here. We're a little more inland from the Pacific Ocean, which is just west of us. We decided that we're gonna meet up and then we're gonna go down to the coast. Where we're meeting up, we're gonna grab some coffee and try to figure out where we're going exactly, but we did agree on going down the coast. I'd love to try to find some good fish tacos. That would be awesome. All right, I met up with Miguel here. He's riding his Victory. It's a really nice bike. Miguel actually has two Victories. He's currently riding his Crossroads and has a cross-country back home. They are beautiful motorcycles with designs ahead of their time. The Crossroads looks a lot like the Road King from that similar year. What do you think? Here's the Road King, and here's the Crossroads. If Victory motorcycles are new to you, well, the company that owns Victory is Polaris. However, in January 2017, Polaris announced that it would cease production of Victory motorcycles and focus on its Indian motorcycle brand. As a result, Victory motorcycles is no longer in production, and Polaris no longer manufactures or sells Victory motorcycles. That said, Polaris is committed to providing parts and service support for Victory motorcycles for 10 years after the discontinuation of production in January 2017. This means that Polaris intends to support Victory motorcycles until at least 2027.
Right all the way.
Okay, it's a nice road. What highway is this?
76.
76. There it is, 76 west. The difference in temperature. Yeah.
Our Victory is easy to work on. I found that Miguel and I are very similar in regards to wrenching on our bikes. He has done more than I have and learned watching YouTube and shares how easy they are to work on for guys like us. You can also join forums and Facebook groups where Victory owners share and give advice on a project you may have. Then maybe you can take on projects that you feel you can handle and let the experts do the rest for you. My point is that Miguel was genuine when he stated that the Victories are easy to work on. The other thing to look into for any used motorcycle is the access of parts. Even older model Harley Davidsons, you will need to look for parts, and Harley Davidson's has a great aftermarket to support this. For Victory, I found a website that has OEM and aftermarket parts. This is not a sponsored video, just a site that I found that kept coming up, which is witchdoctors.com. You will find the link in the description below. They will have pretty much anything you are looking for. For those of you who own a Victory, please let us know what challenges you may have had getting parts, or maybe what specific part. We stopped at Harbor Fish Cafe located in Carlsbad, California for some fish tacos. The location is right off the beach and they have very nice staff. It is a chill beach vibe, which is a perfect match for our ride. I ordered a fried fish taco and honestly one of the best I've ever had. Plus I ordered clam chowder, a must, as it is very good. Miguel took the healthier route and decided on a non-fried fish taco, and it looks delicious. I have to try it next time because as you can see, the Harbor Fish Cafe serves some giant fish tacos, and one was more than enough for today. Plus, I heard that they have a great beer, the Beach Brew, which is only available on location. Another thing I will have to try when I return. If you happen to be in Carlsbad, California, I recommend it here. You can grab some great food, then walk on the beach. Alright, let's get back on the road. Maybe you want to replace your motorcycle or add to your stable, and you know what you want, an American V-twin, but you do not want to shell out $30,000 plus on a new bagger. Well then, a Victor may be worth looking at for you. Would I buy one? The Victory motorcycle has a nice unique design, and I really like Miguel's goal of just keeping his Victories looking original. I wouldn't mind working on one, but my concern is the parts may get harder to find, and the price of those parts may get very expensive due to scarcity. What are your thoughts? Do you own a Victory? Share your experience with us, or are you concerned about buying a Victory? Share those concerns with us in the comments below. The important thing is to get out on two wheels, enjoy the ride, and be a safe, cage-free moto. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, try another one right here on the screen. You all take care and ride safe.